In today's video, I will be showing you how to print the same header on your pages here in Google Sheets. So if you're planning on printing a very large data set and you want the same header to appear on all the pages, well, we're going to try and do that with my example data set right here. And I have my header, which has the movie title, director, budget, and box office revenue. If we try and print this right now, let's go ahead and try. Go to File here in the menu bar, then select Print at the bottom. You can also do your keyboard shortcut of Control or Command P. Let's go ahead and click this. And here we have it. So we have a preview of what our sheets or our pages would look like if we're about to print them. And as you'll see, I have my header on this first page. But on the second or the succeeding pages, we don't have the same header. So for us to have the same header on all of our pages, what we're going to do would be to freeze that header, which is our top row. And we can do that in two ways. First, you can just select that row, then go to View, select Freeze, and select the number of rows that you want to freeze. So with this option, you can freeze your rows or your columns. We're just going to select our one row right here, which is our selected row. If we click on it, there you have it. We have frozen that first row, which is our header, so even if we move our data up and down, it will stay in place. Another way to freeze your row would be to just simply go to this bar right here, then click on it. You'll see that this line is already highlighted, and if I drag it down, there you go. I have successfully frozen the row with this method. So you can do it in two ways. You can go to View, or you can just drag that line down and freeze the first row at the top. Again, it will stay in place even though you're scrolling up and down on your data. Now with our first row or header frozen in place, if we go back to Print, let's go to File, select Print. There you have it. Again, we have it on our first page, and if we go to the next one, we have it as well. So freezing our row or our header in place helps us print the same header on all of our pages here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.